How to contact Microsoft Support live chat. So if you want to contact Microsoft Support live chat, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your search on your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Here you can search for Microsoft. After searching for Microsoft, you need to just simply scroll down and you will find an option of support. If you don't find support section, then you can again go with search and you need to search for Microsoft Support. Tap on support.microsoft.com, which will take you to the support page. From here, you can select any issue that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with any a random issue. Tap on that, and then here you will have contact Microsoft Support. So you can scroll down and you'll find the option, which is right here under contact support. You will have contact Microsoft Support. Tap on that. And once you tap on it, it will take you to the support section. Now from here, you can go with enter the problem in this blank and then tap on get help, and after that again enter some more questions or select some more options and follow with the process. And that's how you can contact Microsoft Support live chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.